Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I just have a pretty quick video today that I want to show you what's in here and let you guys know about a sale that's going on over at Beauty Brand. So let's check it out. If you are new to Beauty Brands, let me tell you exactly what this says. Beauty Brands is a salon and spa superstore. It is brick and mortar in the US. I think most of them are in the Midwest, and they were the first retail company to combine a full-service salon and spa within a dynamic retail store. And it says it was a revolutionary concept back in the early 90s, which is true. Other stores have done that now. You know who they are. But Beauty Brands did it originally. And every year they do a huge hair sale. And they sent me this probably a month ago and FedEx lost it. They've resent it again. So I'm gonna show you this. The sale is only until April 17th. So you need to go over and check it out. It is a huge sale on hair products. And they have $9.98 hairsprays, dry shampoos, texture sprays. Definitely, I'll put the link below. You can just go over and check out the store. It might be a store you don't know anything about, so this could introduce you to it. But one of the things they do is these discovery bags. This is a 7-piece discovery bag. It has a $65 value and it is $16.98. And I found last year, after I got in, even though it said that this was $16.98, some of them were actually lower priced. So this is, first of all, this is a good sized bag, and it's made out of kind of a plasticky on the outside, but it's a nice soft kind of like, you know, vegan leather, and on the inside it's nicely lined and it says beautiful and has little eyelashes. How stinking cute is that? I love the size of this for travel and knowing that it's plastic, so if anything leaks in there, we are set. We have a Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock Multi Perfector. It's Daily Shine and Protecting Spray. And these aren't just tiny samples. These are, I think, more like travel size than sample size. This is 1.7 ounces. So you would get a good try out of this to see if your hair really liked it. Next, we have the Keratin Complex Keratin Obsessed Multi-Benefit Treatment Spray. You guys know, whenever we've talked about hair things in the past, I've always been a little afraid of keratin, only because I have so much breakage. And a stylist once told me if I used keratin too often, it would actually enhance the breakage. So I have never known where that line is, but I think I'll try it. I mean, certainly once a week would be okay, right? It says this innovative spray delivers 30 benefits with immediate results that enhance, protect, and beautify all hair types. And again, this is 1.7 ounces. Oh, Sebastian, I love the Sebastian. Professional Sebastian Potion number 9, wearable styling treatment. Wearable styling treatment. So I'm going to have to go online and look up what a lot of these things do. It says right on it that potion number 9 is a versatile styling cream that helps restore lost moisture and replenish the healthy look of hair. Okay. Yep. Definitely trying that. Next we have the Amika The Wizard Detangling Primer. I know I love this. I love this. I love the way it smells. This is 1 fluid ounce. I love the way it smells. I love the way it detangles my hair. I do love the smell of that. There are very few. This is kind of, let me show you. It's kind of got an oily feel to it. There are very few oils that I can use because generally with oils, you have to put them in your hand, rub your hands together, and then pull it through. So it's real hard to be sure that just a little bit gets everywhere. Obviously, wherever you pull first is going to get the most oil. I like this because I can grab all of my hair off to the side because it's so long and let it hang and then just go tss, tss, and I feel like I get more coverage. I like it. Next up, we have the Biolage All-in-One Multi-Benefit Spray. So you are just definitely gonna get a lot of different things to try here. This looks like it's probably 1 ounce. It is. And last but not least, in our awesome sized bag, we have, well, this is hard to see. It's very light on very light. It is Sexy Hair by Sexy Hair. I think I've tried these, is it called Sexy Volume? Anyway, this is the 30 milligrams of CBD Calm Leave-In. Leave-in. Super cute. That is what that looks like. Kind of difficult to read, but it says it's 1.7 fluid ounces and it's a leave-in soothing conditioner. But would your hair ever know? Those are the 6 products you get in here. It says it's a $65 value. You get it for $16.98. And when you order it, you will get a coupon on the back that will give you $5 off any full-size product from this bag. So if you like one of the products in this bag, you can use those codes. Just saying. Not cheating, Just saying. Let me know what you guys think. I think I love this bag. I think it says spring. I think it is oh, look, it matches my nails. It's so cute. And in it, we got the Sexy Hair CBD leave-in, the Biolage leave-in, the Amica, that's the oil, but it, look, my hand's already not oily. It absorbs. I love it. I haven't tried the Sebastian Potion 9. Definitely gonna try it. I haven't tried the Keratin Complex. Probably gonna try it. And the Joico K-Pack Color Therapy. Definitely gonna try it. So they are having the sale now. It is good until April 17th. They have a lot of hair products over there on sale. If you have any questions, let me know. I will try and get the information for you. If I don't already have it, I will put all of the links for this below. Thanks so much for coming by, guys, and checking this out with me. I love a good hair product sale. You guys know I've said it 1,000 times. I wish somebody would come out with a committed hair product box. Like every other month you could try a new brand, and I think that would be awesome. But until then, build your own box. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming by. Take care. I hope you have a great day.